YouTube is the best opportunity you need right now if you want to embark on your content creation journey. A lot of people think that YouTube is old school, like it's one of the first social media that started, the one of the first place you started putting your video. But the funny thing is that the durability of YouTube actually gives us the sign that it can create a permanent job for you. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 4 powerful reasons why you need to start your content creation journey on YouTube now. Watch this video to the end because number 4 will be the easiest step and it will be the strongest reason why you should start creating your content on YouTube.
Tube metrics. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.
Right now. So here's the first reason. There is a niche for everyone. And when I mean everyone, I mean you. Yes, you that I'm talking to right now. Right? So every single behavior that you behave is actually suggesting a niche to you. The meaning of that is when you just turn this your everyday behavior into a video and you post it on YouTube, you have already started your content creation, right? Content is all around us. You are walking in the street and you see somebody fall on the floor and everybody is laughing and you carry your phone. I know that sounds weird and you video the person. That is already content, right? When you are gisting about football and you turn it into video, just see yourself watching football. That is already content. When you are singing and then you are worshiping God and you decide to put it out there, that's already content. Every single behavior that you are doing now, turn it into a video, and that is content. And that is the bright side of YouTube. The fact that it gives you the leverage to be able to turn anything that is going on your life into a content. And another thing is the fact that the algorithm even helps bring these viewers to you. Unlike other social media, you are the one looking for the viewers for your niche. But for YouTube, the algorithm is the one looking for the viewer for you. Remember, the motto of the algorithm actually means bringing the right video to the right viewer. So you are not the one pushing the right video. It's the algorithm that is pushing that video to you. That brings us to the second reason. So the second reason why you should start your content creators journey on YouTube right now is the fact that the number are even in your favor. You might not even understand this, but the truth is that the statistic of the content creator to viewer is outstanding. So YouTube have about 63 million viewers, right? And these 63 million viewers are serving 2.7 billion people. You might not understand this, but so the meaning of this is no matter how you are not having niche, no matter how your niche is irrelevant, no matter how it looks as if you are not even giving enough value, you must always have somebody to view your content. So if you are clapping hand, it's a niche. Yeah, if you are laughing, it's a niche. There are people that see just laughing as funny in this world. That is why you need to start your YouTube journey now. And that is why you don't need to joke with yourself. Anything you know how to do, just improve on it and become an expert on it. And then YouTube will be very easy for you. Unlike under social media, you will see that maybe they have about 200 and something million people that is serving about 1 point something billion people as their viewers. Or you will see them having about 5 million creators and then I think the new ones, that is what they are doing and like this stray pod and you will see Twitch also TikTok having about 207 million people serving about 500 and something million viewers. So if you check everything, you will notice that YouTube actually beats all of them. And that will take us to the next reason, which is money. Money is everything, right? So YouTube earning surpasses every other social media. An average YouTuber stand the chance of earning about $3 to $5 to $7 per 1,000 views. And you might be thinking, oh, this view is not going to be earning. If you have about 100 videos on your channel presently, that 100 videos are actually converting themselves to money for you. So if you have 100 people view here, another person view here, another person view here, that's already 1,000 views. And the funny thing is that if you can be able to have 100,000 view in a month, that is almost about $300 to $500 to $700, depending on your niche. No other social media surpasses this. YouTube is the highest paying social media presently. No other one surpasses it. That is why you need to kickstart your YouTube journey right now. So stop. If you are watching this video right now, it means it's time for you to share, to like, and to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you might never see me again. That's the truth. So you have to like, to share, and to subscribe right now. And that takes us to the last and the final reasons why YouTube should be your first choice when you are looking for a content creator platform. Number 4 is actually the fact that YouTube is very easy. You might not know, but YouTube is very easy. You see, the YouTube space, the algorithm is the one doing your job for you. 90% of the time, the algorithm is the one bringing viewers for you. You just need to keep posting every day. Know the SEO, like study, research the SEO. And as you keep posting every day or every week for 1 year, the algorithm will figure out your viewers and will begin to suggest your video to your viewers. That is all. That's all. So that is why you should not even trivialize YouTube, because most of the hard work of putting your link somewhere so that somebody will see, is not really done by you. It is the algorithm that suggests the video to the right viewer. And then talking about maybe 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. One of the things you even need to understand in that regard is the fact that you can even get it, even right now in this video. If you begin to just type "let's subscribe," or you type something that will make the viewer engage or encourage you, they will begin to subscribe to your channel right now, even in the comment section. So it is very easy. It's very easy. So what am I saying? YouTube is the best option for you. It is an opportunity for you in this 2025. You might be thinking, I'm too late. Yeah, you are not too late. That's the truth. You are not too late. Just like how I started by telling you that I've done a lot of channels before I came to this one. I started by with Enlight TV. Then I went to Prayer Now. Then I went to Jesus Realms. Then I did a lot of channels before I came to this particular one right now. So you are not too late. Make sure that you start, and make sure that you are consistent in it. And this YouTube space, you are going to get it. In our next video, I'll be telling you properly how to open your YouTube channel and how to optimize your YouTube channel, how to brand your YouTube channel, and how to um, be able to study SEOs and the rest and the likes of it. Know that this is a course, and this is just the first lecture of this course. So you need to watch the video one after the other so that you can be able to get the best out of it. YouTube metrics. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you like. Make sure you comment. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section.
Tube metrics. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.